Please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Second sub question, subtract. So denominator 3 multiply by this middle 3, then addition 1. Yeah, addition. Okay. Then this subtraction 4 multiply by 1, then plus 1 upon 4. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. Then this subtraction 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. Denominator is not equal, so you have to do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication will be 10 into 4 minus 5 into 3 upon 3 4s are. Okay, so 10 4s are 40 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 3 4s are 12. So 40 minus 15 is 25 upon 12. So you have to write in mixed fraction. So 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. This is your answer. Let's see our second sums. Denominator 2 multiply by this middle 5, addition numerator 1 back to denominator. Then minus 3, denominator 3 multiply by this middle 3 plus numerator 1, then back to denominator. So, here 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2. Subtract 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 3. As we can see, again we do not have equal denominator. So, you have to do cross multiplication. So, cross multiplication 11 into 3 and minus 10 into 2, then back to denominator 2 into 3. So, 11 3s are 33, 10 2s are 20 upon 2 3s are 6. So, we get 13 minus 20, 33 minus 20, 13 upon 6. We have to find out the answer in mixed fraction. So, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. See, like this you have to do. 6 2s are 12 minus 1. So, 6 2s are back to 1. Now, let's do our third and fourth sums. Solution. So, denominator 8 multiply by middle term, then add by numerator, then back to denominator. Denominator का 10 multiply by this 6 plus 1 upon back to denominator. Okay, so 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 1, 57 upon 8 minus 10 6 are 60 plus 1, 61 upon 10. Again I do not have equal denominator, so cross multiplication. So 57 multiply by 10, then minus 61 multiply by 8 upon 8 tens are 80. So you get 570 minus 61 into 8, 488 upon 80. See, I did orally. You simply use your rough column and do multiplication. 8 1s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Okay. So, after doing subtraction, we will get 82 upon 80. Okay, so when you divide it further, you will get 80 ones are 80 and remainder 2. Okay, but yeah, we have little division. See, this could be divided by 2, so avoid this. 2 fours are 0, 2 fours are 2 ones are. So actually 41 upon 40. So this final answer will be, 40 ones are 40 and remainder 1. This is your actual answer. Okay, let's see the last sums. Denominator 2 will multiply by this middle term, then will get add by this 1, then back to denominator, then subtraction, and 5 multiply by 3, add 1, denominator 5. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15 upon 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Again, denominator is not equal. We have to do cross multiplication. So 15 into 5, 16 into 2 upon 2 into 5. So 15 5s are, we get 75, and 16 2s are 32, and 5 2s are 10. Here, when we subtract this, we get 43 upon 10, and we have to write this answer in this form. So 10 4s are 40 plus 3, 43. Done. Okay, you cannot do orally, use your rough column. 10 4s are 40 minus 3. So 10 4s are and this. 10 4s are and this. Third, solve. First question. Suresh bought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost rupees 32 per kg, how did they spend on the sugar they bought? Now, let's understand the question. Now, what they are saying, सुरेश ने 2.5 kg शुगर लाया और आशीष ने 3.5 kg शुगर लाया. So both of them together, how much sugar they have bought? दोनों ने मिला के कितना शुगर टोटल खरीदा. So first we will find out that, and then what they are saying, अगर 1 किलो शक्कर 1 kg sugar cost rupees 32. So what will be the total price of sugar altogether they have brought? So let's see. First of all, we will add this. So 2 1 upon 2 plus 3 1 upon 2. As we do the solution, so 2 2s are and this one plus, then back to denominator 2, then this addition. Use bracket so that you don't get confused. 2 3s are, then plus 1 and back to denominator 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 upon 2. Then this addition, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. Since the denominators are equal, so we can add them directly. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 upon 2. So 5 plus 7 is equals to 12 upon 2. So 12 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 6 are. So that means they both together purchased 6 kg. They both together purchased 6 kg. So cost of 1 kg sugar is 32. Therefore 6 kg into 32 will be multiply in your rough column. 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 3s are 18, 19. So 192. Finally, you will write statement cost of 6 kg sugar is rupees 192. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjal? Now let's understand the question. आराधना हैज़ वन प्लॉट. आराधना के पास एक ज़मीन है, उसमें से इन 1/3 पार्ट शी ग्रोज ग्रीन्स, इतने से पार्ट में वो हरी सब्जी उगाती है. 2/3 पार्ट पोटैटो, इतने से पार्ट में पोटैटोस वो उगाती है. सो बचे हुए कितने से पार्ट में वो ब्रिंजल उगा रही है वो पता लगाना है. सो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस सम्स. ये पूरा 1 है, ये जो एक प्लॉट है उसको 1 एज्यूम करेंगे, उसमें से ये और ये पार्ट यूज़ हो गया है. सो इसको हम ऐड करेंगे, फिर जो भी आंसर आएगा वो आंसर को हम ये 1 से माइनस करेंगे. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द एडिशन ऑफ दिस टू. सो वी विल गेट how much part is used for brinjal. Let's solve the sums. So first, potatoes 2/5 part and greens 1/3 part. So therefore 2/5 plus 1/3. So that will be equal to, since the denominators are not equal, you have to make them equal. So 2 3s are plus 1 5s are upon 5 3s are. So 2 3s are 6, 1 5s are 5 upon 5 3s are 15. So that equals to 6 plus 5, 11 upon 15. So this 11 upon 15 is what? Total used of these two part. So now, how much part is used for brinjal? So 1 minus this used part. Okay. So 1 minus this used part. We have to do rationalizing. Here there is nothing, that means you have to assume 1. जब भी नीचे कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ होता है ना, so you have to assume that वहाँ पे 1 है. So by cross multiplication 1 into 15 minus 1 into 11 upon 1 into 15. So that will be equals to 1 15s are 15 minus 1 11s are 11 upon 15. So 15 minus 11, 14. 14 upon, 15 minus 11, 4. 4 upon 15. So this is your answer. Okay, done.